All right, everybody, it's Monday morning. We are in Temecula in the Paseo Del Sol neighborhood. We're working on something that's very, very common, especially in this area. Let me flip the camera around and I'll show you what's up. This is an irrigation shutoff valve and pressure regulator. Well, this pressure regulator is original to the property, so it's, 25, 30 years old. And as you can see, it's rusted out pretty hard. And when I took a pressure reading on it, it's showing 100 psi, which is way too high for sprinkler systems. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this thing today along with a new shutoff valve and get the pressure back down to about 50 to 60 psi reliably. So I'll show you how this goes and what it looks like when it's done. Okay, first step in the process is we need to take this protective box out, which can be harder than it looks sometimes, but this one's ready to pull out. And then we're gonna cut pipe out on both sides and put all this back together. Now, some of you might be thinking, why do you need a pressure regulator for your irrigation system? The truth is you don't always, but in this particular area in Temecula, California, we have a really high water pressure from the city, and often it can be 150 psi. So in order to protect things and protect the actual water usage and not let it get too out of control, pressure regulators are essential. So that's why we have to replace it. We can't just take it out. Okay, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and cut it out. We're gonna use our PVC cutters. We'll cut here, and we're gonna cut here. This is all 1-inch pipe. So then we'll start putting it all back together. You wanna keep it in the same order. The shutoff valve first, water goes this way, and then the pressure regulator. Okay, we just got this all wrapped up. We are back in business. New brass shutoff valve, new pressure regulator, and let me explain to you real quick what will happen. So the reason we had to replace this was because the old pressure regulator in this house in Temecula was restricting the water flow. So it was letting too much water pressure through and restricting the water flow. So this is what it does when it fails. And so we were getting 100 psi plus out of it and just having issues. He actually had a valve blow off in the backyard. So this is all symptoms of a pressure regulator failing. If you're having weird issues with your irrigation system in your Temecula or Murrieta, this is likely the cause. Get this checked out. We can look at it for you, or you can have a plumber look at it, but get a water pressure test and that will tell you what's going on. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video helped you.